EBF3343
Hi, my name is EBF3343 metric number 80610.
Hi, my name is Chinda Natasha Nasibin. My metric number is 79638.
Hello, my name is Darnis Nirin. My number metric is 79168.
Hi, my name is Tashba Zoe and my metric number is 78950.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amir Raizat bin Zunaidi, 80099.
And I am Esther binti Jabir, 79251.
Hello everyone, today we are delving into the intriguing concept of the corporate veil. Hafiza, can you start by giving our audience a brief understanding of what the corporate veil is?
Sure, Ellen. The corporate veil separates a company legal identity from shareholder, protecting them from personal liability for the company debts. Yet, if court discover corporate law violation or the use of business as a facet or legal activities, shareholder may be held personally accountable through the concept of lifting the veil.
Thank you for the explanation, Hafiza. Next, should you brief down the idea lifting the corporate veil in specific situation?
Sure, Ellen. Lifting the corporate veil allows a court to disregard a company's separate legal identity, holding shareholder personally responsible for its debts. This happens in the cases of serious misbehavior, abuse of the corporate form, asset commingling, undercapitalization, or procedural disregard.
Understood, Hafiza. How does lifting the corporate veil contribute to a broader understanding of corporate law?
Okay, lifting the corporate veil helps us to understand the corporate law better. It allows court to examine the responsible for a company action and protect third-party interests.
Thank you, Hafiza, for explaining the complexity of the corporate veil.
You're welcome, Ellen. Alright, Ellen, now can I ask you two questions?
Yes, of course, Hafiza, you can ask anything.
Alright, so can you simply explain to me what is fraudulent trading is?
Yes, of course. Fraudulent trading is when someone engages in dishonest practices in the financial market. It involves actions like spreading false information, manipulating stock price, or using confidential information for personal gain.
Thank you for the explanation. Now for the second question, can you explain to me how does fraudulent trading relates with the lifting of the corporate veil?
I think this is a good question, Hafiza. Lifting the corporate veil allows court to hold owner, manager, and employer liable for business obligations of parent fund for subsidiary liability. Corporate privilege is commonly used to conceal, even avoid penalty or explore legal loopholes. Even if a business is separate from its member, legal identity are important to dodge the law. The company are empowered the High Court to breach the corporate veil if a company or its director are accused of tax evasion, false or law member.
That is a good explanation. Now I understand more. Thank you, Ellen.
Thank you, Hafiza.
Hey Jen, have you heard about cases where the corporate veil was lifted?
Yeah, there are some interesting ones. In the MJ debt case, a businessman got jailed for the false documents. Real messy.
Oh, like the 1MDB scandal?
Exactly. The step-on investment went wrong in corporation mess. The court said it was not following corporate guidelines.
Any other reasons?
Yeah, like Kuala Lumpur industry were hard. The court said they didn't invest enough in the economy and held the parent economy accountable.
Oh, so basically when things get messy, the court is not afraid to lift that corporate veil.
Yeah. Hey, have you heard about the Salomon versus Salomon case? Yes, the one involving the shoe manufacturer, right? Facing financial troubles and all that. Exactly, Salomon faced bankruptcy, but the High Court did affirm his ownership of the company. And that emphasized the legal entity's distinctness, right? Spot on, the law even dismissed agency and fraud claims, reinforcing the lawful existence of the corporation. Switching gears a bit, let us talk about the factors influencing the decision to leave the corporate veil. Alright, so Mr. Solomon apparently misused the corporate structure, treating the company as a tool for personal actions. Exactly, this led to disregard of legal separation. And what about the requirement for lifting the veil? One of the requirements is the fraudulent exploitation. There is a proof of real fraud is necessary for the court to ignore the concept of legal personality. Also, if separate legal personalities are used to evade contractual obligations, the court may disregard legal personality. Got it, and there's a specific section, right? The section about 540 subsection 1 of the Company Act 2016. Yes, that is often involved when companies' operation intend to defraud creditors. It allows the court to lift the corporate veil in cases of fraudulent trading. Okay, so another factor was Solomon's predominant control, right? These dual roles as majority shareholder and managing director played a crucial part, right? Yes, exactly known as the Solomon Principle, it actually emphasizes his primary influence over the corporate entity. And the court found that the company led by Mr. Solomon played a crucial part in fraudulent trading. Yes, that is why lifting the corporate veil was deemed necessary. It holds individuals accountable for action within the corporate structure.
Okay, after going through some discussion on fraudulent trading cases, Amirul, can you share some legal provision and procedures that are relevant in Malaysian court?
Certainly, there are two main references, the Company Act 2016 and past precedents, where principles drawn from past cases to make informed decision making.
So I also have identified 4 key influence on court decisions such as separate legal personality, limited ability, corporate will, and statutory compliance. Overall, it can influence by establishing a framework within which the legality of corporate action will be assessed.
Exactly. Do you know, analyzing cases like Solomon versus Solomon reveals both strength and weaknesses in court decisions?
Indeed, the strength is the court upheld a legal formalism and respect for corporate structure, which reinforce the idea that corporate structure is separate legal entity when it's legally constituted.
However, the Court of Appeal raised concern about potential abuse and exploitation tied to limited liability privileges.
So Hafiza, why should we bother exploring the concept of removing the corporate veil and its connection to dishonest trading?
Well, diving into this idea can offer us new perspectives and several advantages. It's an opportunity to delve into the core legal theories and understand the consequences of fraudulent trading.
Interesting. How does that work and what are the other benefits?
Well, we can gain valuable insight by analyzing court decisions that involve the removal of the corporate veil. It's like uncovering hidden layers in the legal landscape, especially in the cases of dishonest trade. Moreover, this exploration sheds light on the moral and legal concern tied to the financial crime and corporate structure. It's like turning a spotlight to better understand the ethical dimension in this area.
Now I understand. Thank you, Hafiza.
You're welcome, Ellen.